One last video on this sending unit on the Beta 390RS. I decided to try to fix it while I waited for new parts. So I did go ahead and solder the end of that, if you can see it. It isn't super pretty because the little cap moves around on you. So I thought it would be a little more solid, but it's actually quite easy to solder because it turns liquid pretty quick. It heats up pretty well. So it's not super pretty, and it actually probably will tell me that it's full longer, I think, if I'm correct. Probably not. There's the focus. Okay, so it's probably going to hit. It's going to stay floating, saying light is off, maybe drop and light is on. I don't know if it makes, how it makes contact, but I'm thinking, because I got a blob of solder in there that's kind of in the way. I already played with it a couple of times and almost, kind of screwed it up, but we'll see. I blew through the end of it and tried the bubble test. It seems to be sealed, but it was just a simple solder. I got some decent, I had this stuff already and some flux, and I believe it is sealed. So I'm going to put it back in and just give it a test. All right, hope that helps. So it is fixable with a touch of solder, I believe. I should do a little better job and clean it up, but I've already tried 3 times and kind of knocked it around. So my hand's not too steady. All right, hope that helps. Take care. Appreciate it. Likes and subscribes.